Good morning friends, this is Madhu signing in for this tutorial. In this tutorial, I am going to talk about command line arguments in C. Initially, what is an argument? An argument is nothing but an input given to a function. Then what are command line arguments? Command line arguments are also an inputs given to a main function. Every C program will have a main function. The arguments which are given to that main function are termed as command line arguments. In C programming, command line arguments are of two. The one is ARGC, second one is ARGV. ARGC is nothing but argument count. ARGV is nothing but argument vector. Argument count is nothing but which tells the compiler how many number of arguments are given to a main function. Argument V, argument vector, which holds each and every argument which is given to a main function. So according to this, the data type of ARGC should be of int and the data type of argument V should be of string. As you know, string is nothing but collection of characters. So here the very important point is the minimum value of ARGC is 1 because argument V of 0 is always the name of the program file. To understand this, let me take a small example. I'll go for two programs, one without command line arguments, the other with command line arguments. I've written a simple example. Here, hash include stdio.h, which is nothing but the default header file. Void main int a, printf enter the value of a, scan of %e ampersand a, printf enter the value is %e. Then according to this program, okay, or taken a variable called a. I'm asking the user to enter the value of a. Then enter the value of a will be displayed on the output screen on the command window or the console. Then user will enter some value. Then that value will be stored in the address given in the scanf statement, which is nothing but ampersand a. So if the value is 2, that 2 will be stored in some address which is given for ampersand a. Then again I'm reading the value of a, which is nothing but entered values %d, a. Then let's check the output of this program. Yes, it is here. GCC -o demo space demo.c. Demo.c is our program file. Demo is the executable file generated by the compiler. So when you run this syntax GCC -o demo and demo.c followed by enter, then executable file will be generated if there are no errors and warnings. Yes, an executable file is generated here. Then after demo, when I press demo and enter, it displayed enter the value of a. Then I have entered a value called 2. After this, that 2 will be stored in the address of a, and I'm printing again the entered value is %l, which is nothing but a, that is nothing but 2. And this is a program. So what is here? It is nothing but demo. Demo is nothing but the name of the executable file. So let me run this target with the help of command line argument. So here command line arguments are nothing but an arguments given to a main function. So arguments should be enclosed in phrases. So here int argc char star argv. As you know, ARGC is of integer data type and ARGV is of string data type. Okay. Int a semicolon, a variable a will be declared and defined, and some address will be allocated for a. Now a is equal to atoi of ARGV of, as you know, ARGV of 0 is always the name of the executable file. So I'm going for ARGV of 1. As I'm going for atoi, I need to include stdlib.h. Okay, I will tell you why we are going for atoi. Why I'm going for atoi here. Now let's check. Now let's go for the output. -o demo.c. Okay, demo space 1. Then what will happen? Entered value is 1. Entered value is 1. So this is nothing but the syntax of how to enter a value with the help of command line arguments. Demo followed by an integer value. What is demo here? It is nothing but the name of the executable file. Okay, after this I have entered a value called 1, and that 1 has to store in A. So what I am doing here, I have taken a variable called A. What is ARGV of 1? Which is nothing but the second argument given here. What is the second argument here? It is nothing but 1. As you know, array count always start from 0. So this is ARGV of 0 and this is ARGV of 1. But as you know, ARGV is of string data type, but I need an integer value. So I need to convert that string into an integer value. So I'm using a predefined function ATOI, ASCII to int, okay, which converts a string to an integer value of ARGV of 1. As here 1 is nothing but ARGV of 1, because ARGV of 0 is the name of the executable file. So that value will be stored in A. Again I am printing the value of A here. So according to this program, there is no scanf here, because scanf is not required when you are going for command line arguments. Okay, let's see what is ARGV of 0. Let me execute this target. So demo. What is here? Demo followed by enter value is 0. Yes, I have not entered any value here, so it takes as 0. If I enter like demo space 2, then what will happen? Demo entered value is 2. So let me place a new line character at the end of the string. Now what will happen? Entered value will be displayed in the next line. See here, demo followed by entered value is 2. What is demo here? Which is nothing but here. ARGV of 0 is nothing but demo. That is why demo has got printed here. And the next argument is 2, which I converted it into an integer value. So entered value is %d, comma a. So ARGC is nothing but the number of arguments here. How many number of arguments are loaded here? This is 1 and this is 2. So ARGC value will be 2. But ARGV of 0 is always the name of the executable file, and the next argument, it depends on the target. Clear? And that is why what I said here, argument, the minimum value of ARGC will be 1, because it is nothing but the name of the executable file. And ARGV of 0 is always the name of a program file. Yes, obviously ARGV of 0 is always the name of the executable file in all cases. And this is done in GCC. Okay, and my version of GCC is this. It is 4.7.1. Okay, I have compiled this program in 4.7.1. Command line arguments are nothing but an arguments entered through command prompt and given to a main function are termed as command line arguments. Obviously, this is called as command prompt, and the arguments entered here, entered through command prompt and given to a main function are termed as command line arguments. That's it. Clear? So, if you have any queries, you can drop a comment or you can mail me on this ID here. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Thank you. Time to sign off. Practice more. I'll meet you in the next tutorial. Bye. See you.